This is set number 1033, the Lego Icons Kingfisher bird. It contains 834 pieces and retails for $50 US. This is a very interesting build. I didn't really know much about this this bird until I put this together, but there's a lot of very small pieces, a lot of details. So I mean, the base primarily is built with Technic bricks, and then as you'll see, it's kind of built out with these clear. I've actually never seen these clear 1x2 tiles before, which are kind of unique. And then it's built out with all of these clear to indicate, you know, that it's perched up on some water. There's a bunch of these clear 1x2s and these sort of curved, sloped 1x1 and sloped tiles as well. And then back here, there's some foliage and a couple of some brush that it's on. The build itself was very interesting. I found that you know, they put a lot of detail into building out the wings of the bird. Although, you know, you had to build basically the repetition of the bird, but there's, you know, there are the legs here, or I'm sorry, the feet here. And then, you know, just the amount of pieces that were used. It wasn't, you know, like large pieces. It was very small pieces that went into building each one of these wing pieces, as well as the underside of the bird. And as you see, there's a fish. I mean, they have an indication of there's a fish inside of its mouth as it's perched up on this. It was a very, like I said, it was very fun to build and put this together. Like I said, there's a lot of small little detailed pieces, and you had to kind of focus on putting everything together. And I really think that for the price point of $50, this was definitely an interesting set, and it's definitely a nice display piece to put kind of anywhere. You know, if you're a fan of birds or Lego, even sort of like, I guess, a flower set, sort of, it would mix into that as well. And I think that, you know, this is something that Lego should make another one of, find another bird that, even if it was like a bald eagle, that would be kind of a cool set to build, I think. But, you know, I definitely recommend this if you like, you know, for 834 pieces. I think that for $50, the price point's pretty good here. So I would recommend picking this up.